are you searching for?
Okay. Check ko kung may Mighty Band ako.
We're in 7-Eleven. You can get one from the rack.
Kasi ang alam ko meron akong dala. I always have Mighty Band in my bag. Kasi natin si Tito kung mga ganitong problema. Tulad ngayon, meron akong papakita sa'yo. Naka-video ka. Video ba yan?
Video to. Video to. So what do you need the mighty band for?
Ito. Sa swelas ko. Natanggal ako ng swelas.
What is swelas? Ayun. Beso na lang. Kaninong ulo yun? Yun ang lalayo. Mocha flavor. How are you, Bet-Bet? Galing-galing mo naman. You're so lovely. Patingin. Okay, this is what every girl must bring with them when going out of the house.
Ay, natanggal eh.
Ay, natanggal.
So sad.
This was removed from her shoe, left shoe, and she's needing mighty band
No,
now.
I need a new shoes.
New shoes na.
Yes, I'm gonna buy new shoes.
So you're not needing any mighty
No.
band. It's not gonna help. But did you bring your mighty
But I
band?
have to bring this just in case.
She's more than a Girl Scout.
Just in case I haven't buy pa ng bago, I need to keep it. Until that time I have a new shoes na.
Okay, so you're thinking of fixing it still. Have it done by the shoemaker na lang.
I don't know kung saan meron.
Mr. Quickie?
This is better than.
Oh,
But the cost of repairing the shoes is
okay, and almost. Pag Mr. Quickie. And what are we doing right now? I'm eating this food.
It follows this.
Mine. And Abbott is seriously thinking of his future with the princess somewhere. And we're from Joanna's church. Since she's busy, they're doing something special among the group. We had to leave, and we're here drinking some water. Yeah, it's sarap. It has feelings inside. And wala lang. Oh, by the way, sa mahal ko, I miss you so much. Ikaw sa mahal mo. Kahit sa future mahal mo.
My future mahal, you need to love me more than I.
That's so sweet. Abet, tama na pagsiseryoso. Abet, sa future na mahal mo, ano message mo?
Sa kanila?
Bitterness.
Huwag na bitter. Ang palaya. Achoo! Ang palaya.
Okay nga palaya.
Okay. Sureness na ba yan? Whatever. Anyway, in a while, we're gonna go to SM Makati kasi this girl badly needs a new pair of shoes. Kasi naman yun, you know the history na. And then, we're gonna wait for Jonks there. After that, we're gonna eat. After eating, we're gonna eat again. After we have eaten, we're going to eat again. And till we drop. We'll just eat till we drop, okay? Not shop till we drop. Kasi shopping is very costly, okay? You'll only shop depending on the needs. And whatever. Now, oh, it's 3 minutes. Okay. Anything that you want to share before I cut this video?
I'm a Josa.
You are. And you are?
Kanpai!
Kampay. Okay, let's drink to that. Viva! Ay, sabit ka.
Sabit.
Okay, signing off for now.